Hello, Akira.
Hey, ah,
Hey. Sorry, I'm a little bit
hey,
late. Mm,
no problem.
mm. How are you?
Good,
Mm, good. Good,
good,
good, good, good, good.
good.
What have you been doing today? What's been happening?
Running,
Running?
running, and
How much running?
10 kilometer. I'll share the
Oh,
movie. I'll
my
share the
goodness.
movie. Oops. Okay. Yes. Here we go.
Here we go. Allow. Boom. Oh my goodness. What beautiful nature.
Beautiful nature, exactly.
Mm.
Oops. Thank you.
Nice.
Yes. Thank you. Hey,
Amazing. Amazing.
amazing.
Amazing. Amazing. So was it 10 kilometers through that sort of terrain?
Hooray, yeah,
It was
exactly.
it was 10 kilometers through that forest.
Through the forest, yeah.
Wow.
It's just
How um how what's the word? Like how far away is the forest from where you live?
please wait. Hey, hey, good. Can you hear me?
Hello, 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 hello. Yes, I hear you.
Uh,
Can you hear me? So how
yeah.
how far away from your place is the forest?
It takes 10 minutes by bike.
By bike. So you
Yeah,
do you bike there to the
yeah.
forest and then you run and do you do a loop that takes you back to your bike?
Oh,
Do you know? Is that what you do? Do you do
bike,
you do
bike
do you
is,
do, do you do a loop? So you ride your bike to the forest, and
uh,
then do you run for 10 kilometers a loop around the forest that brings you back to your bike? So then you can bike
exactly,
up.
exactly.
Mm, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Nice.
yes.
Very good. And
Thank you.
and do you like running in the forest? What's it like for you? Do you prefer it to running on the road?
I like forest, prefer running,
Uh, yeah.
better than on the road.
Mm, mm.
Mm,
What makes it better for you?
what makes better for you?
Yeah.
It's uh easy to foot damage, easy
Uh-huh.
to cushion
Okay.
in the forest,
Nice, nice.
and
And it's
in
nice
the
in the nature, right?
nature. Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
And I like climbing.
Ah.
It's so this morning, so beautiful sky, beautiful sky, and this good sunshine, good sunny day. Many
Mm,
birds, little sounds, little nice sounds,
mm.
good sounds.
Ah,
Yeah,
beautiful. Beautiful.
beautiful.
Is it more difficult on you for your feet or is it better? Like, because you were saying it's got more cushioning.
Cushioning, exactly.
Mm,
It's got more cushioning.
mm. But is it difficult, like with more ups and downs and And
Did
you
you
know,
drink?
and you gotta watch out for tree roots and things like that.
Yeah,
Mm,
exactly.
mm.
So we can share. We can enjoy the nature. We can share. We
Exactly.
can enjoy nature.
Yes, yes, exactly, exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
It's you know, it's so when you do run, do you listen to music or do you just listen to the sound of nature?
Sound of nature, and
Mm.
so popping my running shoes.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
excellent.
and focusing on uh next step.
Mm,
So we need care.
mm,
The correct step. Mm,
mm. Nice, nice, nice.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
amazing. Okay, so I'll share this topic.
Why can you do the rap from yesterday? Can you try that again?
Uh,
Can you try the rap from yesterday?
okay. Yeah, okay. Please wait.
I'll send it to you on the chat.
Send the okay. Are ready?
Mm.
Yo, this orange is small. Yeah, it's a real deal. So seeds inside. That's the appeal. Easy to eat, so fresh, so sweet. Uh, citrus treat that just could be beat.
Can't
Peel
be
it,
beat. Can't be beat.
can be beat, can be
Mm.
beat. Peel it back quick. Take a bite, so nice, juicy and smooth, like sunshine, no ice.
Mm.
Perfect like snack, no mess, no fuss. This orange is right here. It's a win for us. I forget
Yes.
the I forget the rhythm.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You did well. You had good flow there. Nice
Good
flow.
flow there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It flowed very
Please,
nicely.
please say again.
Me saying it.
One
Okay,
sentence.
okay.
One
All right.
sentence. So,
Mm-hmm.
Rally.
Yo, yo, this orange is small. Yeah, it's the real deal.
Yo, this orange is small. Yeah, it's a real deal.
No seeds inside. That's the appeal.
No seasons, no seeds inside. That's the appeal.
Easy to eat, so fresh, so sweet.
Easy to eat, so fresh, so sweet.
A citrus treat that just can't be beat.
Our citrus treats just can be beat.
A citrus
Can be
treat that just can't be beat.
A citrus treat just can be beat. Can be beat.
Can't be beat. Can't
Can
be
be
beat.
beat. Can
Mm.
be beat.
A
Okay, can be
citrus
beat.
treat that just can't be beat.
A citrus just a citrus treat just a citrus treat that just can be beat.
Perfect, perfect.
Mm.
Peel it back quick. Take a bite so nice.
Bury it back quick, taking a bite so nice.
Juicy and smooth like sunshine, no ice.
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 Nice, nice, better.
Yeah.
A perfect little snack, no mess, no fuss.
A perfect snacks. A perfect little snack, no mess, no fuss.
This orange right here, it's a win for us.
This orange right here, it's a win for us.
Mm, lovely,
I'll
lovely,
try again.
lovely.
Okay.
From
Yo,
the top,
this
from the
orange
top.
is small.
All right, sorry, go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Yo, this orange is small. Yeah, it's very big. No need, no seeds inside. That's the peel. That's a peel.
Yeah. So
Easy
remember,
to
it's the
eat.
real deal. So yeah.
Real
Go
deal.
and start. Yeah. Start again. Sorry.
Yo, this orange is small. Yeah, it's the real deal. So seeds inside. That's the peel. Easy to eat. So fresh, so sweet. Our citrus treats that just can't be beat.
Mm.
Peel it back quick. Taking a bite so nice. Juicy and smooth. Juicy and
Smooth.
smooth. Juicy and smooth. Like sunshine, no ice. A perfect little snack, no mess, no fuss. This orange is right here. It's a win for us.
There's orange right here. It's a win for us.
This orange is right here. It's a win for us.
Mm. So I've noticed there are three pronunciation things, Akira,
Three
that,
pro-
that you can
uh,
that you can aim to improve in
uh,
2025, maybe,
2025. Oh,
because these are all things that will take time to
next
improve
time.
on.
Prove on.
So okay, so my three things are: number one, yeah, sometimes the L's are like R's.
Yeah,
So
LR.
yeah. So you're gonna try and make the L sound,
Yes,
small, real deal, little, like, all these
little
little
like
things. Yeah. So
more.
it's L. Yeah. L. And
The
it's all about using the tongue. All about using
tongue.
the tongue. Ugh. So you know how
Uh,
when you do it, you
uh,
kind of you kind of roll the tongue behind your teeth. Ugh. Yeah.
uh,
Feel
uh,
it back
uh,
quick.
uh,
A perfect little
a
snack.
perfect little,
Perfect. Perfect.
little, little,
Nice.
a
Nice. And then the
perfect
other thing,
little.
lovely.
Mm,
Nice work,
lovely.
Akira. And the
Okay.
next one is the TH sound. So remember the
The,
TH is the,
the,
the.
the,
So put
the,
your tongue in between your teeth. So the,
the,
the.
the,
Yeah. So
the,
rather than
the,
smooth, because I know you
Ramatans,
get the TH and S sound. So
yes, sir.
sometimes I've noticed you go like smooth or it's the real deal. So what you want to
Inside
do,
the,
it's the
the, the,
and this
the,
smooth
smooth,
this. Yeah.
smooth,
This. So
the,
like yeah, I guess
the,
to practice it, you can really like go over the top and
over
really practice putting your tongue in between your teeth, like smooth and this.
smooth,
But
smooth,
um, that's the practice. But then eventually over time, once it becomes more natural, you'll realize that you actually you don't put your tongue out that much. But it just that's just a great way to practice to to do it like that all the time. And then the last one is yes, sometimes if the word ends with a consonant, you make it end with like it's got a vowel. So sometimes you
bar,
say like quicker or
quick,
beat or
bit,
yeah exactly or just. So
just,
yes, it's not just making it one syllable. So just,
answer,
quick,
just,
quick,
quick,
take, bite,
take, bite,
smooth,
smooth,
snack,
snack,
orange. Like sometimes
orange,
they're orangey, but orange. So yeah,
orange,
go through it again. Yeah, yo, this orange is small. Yeah, it's the real deal. No seeds inside. That's the appeal. Easy to eat, so fresh, so sweet. A citrus treat that just can't be beat. Peel it back quick. Take a bite, so nice, juicy and smooth, like sunshine, no ice. A perfect little snack, no mess, no fuss. There's orange right here. It's a win for us.
yo,
Yo.
yo, yo, yo. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you. You good job. You good job. But yeah,
Yeah.
so those are
Uh,
the three pronunciation things I would say to
yeah.
work on heading into the new year. But
Mm,
it's not like if you do them, you're completely wrong because
mm.
you can still say great sentences and you can still hold fantastic
Hard.
conversations. But it's just about figuring out you're doing these step-by-step things to help you with the pronunciation over time. Mm. Mm.
Thank you.
No worries, my friend.
It's routine. So first ice break. We start read
Mm.
these things every first lesson.
Mm. It's what now? What's it called? What did you say? Sorry, Akira. It's a fast break. You say.
あ、授業の初めにこのラップを歌うことをルーティンとしましょう。英語で。Let's make singing this rap a routine at the start of every class.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Thank you. Okay. Next topic. It's so today's so two lesson.
Yes.
We next class we start this rap
Mm.
singing. Yeah. And please wait. It's also talking about nature running.
Mm.
Talk about nature running. So it's so ice break, so finish. Do you like hiking or running? What's your favorite outdoor activity?
Mm. So you're asking me?
Yeah. Yes.
I like hiking, but I'm not very good at running. My favorite outdoor activity would be, ooh, at the moment it would be tobogganing.
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 Yes. Tobogganing.
Mm.
Tobogganing.
Tobogganing. Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Next, sharing my experience. One, introduction topic.
Mhm.
So I went hiking on ridge,
Mhm.
Suruga Ridge.
Hiking where? Through the.
Uh,
Is it possible? Can you please zoom in on it
zoom
slightly,
in.
Akira? Because I can't quite
Okay.
read it. Do you know how to zoom?
Okay. Yeah,
Oh, there we go. That's good. That's good. Much better.
much better.
Mm.
Suruga Ridge. Mine. Recently.
Mhm.
Ridge. Recently,
Nice.
and I'd like to share my experience with you. I was a pretty challenging hike, especially the first steep section. Have
Mm.
you done any hike like that?
Have I done any hike like that?
Yeah.
I've done a few hikes before. Yeah, yeah. Steep with some steep parts and some slightly dangerous parts. But yeah, those are it's all part of it, part of the experience. So yeah, I enjoy them.
Nice.
Mm.
Okay. Two, describing the initial climb. The first steep climb took me about 30 minutes. It was just over 1 kilo with a 400-meter elevation gain. It was tougher.
Mm.
So, do you have any
Mm.
tips for dealing with a steep climbing like that?
Wow. Whoa.
Well,
You know, my experience with things like that is actually quite limited. So
Right.
I don't know. I would just say, wear the right shoes, have the right equipment, stretch before going,
Mm.
and yeah, and yeah, I guess, I guess train before,
Train
before,
before.
before you
Wow.
go. Mm,
Thank you.
no worries.
Yeah.
Mm,
And talking about calf guards.
mm.
I was wearing calf guards during the hike, but I started wondering if it might be better to take them off. Have you ever
Ah,
used them while hiking or running?
no, I've never used them.
Oh,
Never used them ever. What are they?
what are
Hiking
the
calf
calf
guards. No,
calf guards?
never
Do you
used
know
them.
calf guards? Never used them.
No.
Oh, it's
Mm,
compression
yeah.
gear. Mm,
Ah,
mm,
cool. So
Yeah.
did they help?
Yeah. But
They-
this climb so very sharply.
Mhm.
Conclusion it's don't help me. This
Ah,
calf guard didn't help me.
right. Damn. Why do you think that
It's
is?
it's more it's more
Why did mm, why
it's
didn't it
more
help? Mm.
it's more stress
Mm.
compression
Right,
for
right,
me.
right. I see.
This situation so sharply climbing.
Mm.
So yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Mm. So flat like so road on the
Mm.
road. Uh, they help me.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Mm.
I see.
It's also very comfortable
Mm.
uh, com- compression and
Mm.
uh, uh, enough stress.
Mm.
Mm. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank TAR. So you shared three things. Uh, L or R and
Mm.
TH. Three. What's if you titles three things?
Mm.
Uh, you 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 taught me so correct pronunciation. First things is so L or R, L or R, R,
Mm.
and the second thing is TH, smooth.
Yep, yep,
Yeah,
exactly. Smooth
and three
remember?
the 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 third things is uh stop the last. What do you say?
Uh, so like when a word, don't add the vowel sound when
Vowel
the
sound.
vowel isn't there. So like woke, you just say woke,
Walk.
you say like woke, or sleep, you say sleep rather than sleep, like
If I
yeah. So it's just about not making those the vowel sounds after
not
you make.
making vowel sound,
Exactly. Yeah.
not making vowel sound, not
Mm,
not making vowel sound.
mm,
Okay.
mm.
Yeah.
Nice.
No,
Nice. Yeah. So not making the vowel sound at the end of a word.
end of the world. At the end of the world. At the end of a world.
Mm.
Yeah. At the end of the world. World.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yes. Okay. Number 4. Discussing techniques. One thing I noticed that my balance shifts during steep climb. Do you focus on anything specific like posture and breathing when climbing?
Mm.
Do you focus on?
Do I focus on it?
Uh,
No, I'm actually really bad at focusing on posture.
uh,
I need to focus more on posture because
oh,
my posture is terrible. Terrible.
terrible.
I'm always
Really?
slouching. I'm always
Trust me.
slouching. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Always. Wow.
Mm. So yeah, I need to learn to not slouch.
Not slouch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
I tried to stabilize with my core and focus on how my feet touches the ground. Does that
Ah.
does that sound right to you?
Yeah, I think so. You try to stabilize with your account and focus on my feet. Yeah, it's good. Do you think that does it help you when you try doing that? Does it help you?
Yes, exactly.
It's help.
This uh, help me. It's help.
Good.
This helps me. Yeah,
Nice. Nice.
it's a tough situation, like a wall on the wall,
Uh-huh.
climbing on the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So step by step,
Mm.
walking. Mm. So my
Mm.
breath so stable. Yeah. Thank you.
Cool. Cool. Good for you. Nice work.
3. Asking about descent. Sharing my shoes experience. On the way down, I was wearing shoes, high lightweight shoes, and they worked great for keeping control. Do you pay special attention to your footwork when going downhill?
I do find going downhill is slightly harder because you know
Slightly harder.
you're a bit worried about falling. So
Mm.
yeah, maybe I pay some attention, but not that much. Like you know, I guess I would say I'm just slightly more careful, but
Thank you.
I'm not. Yeah, I'm not paying that much attention though. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah,
Mm.
it's a great. It's important things.
Mm.
Amazing. Okay. Thank
Absolutely.
you for sharing. So last 20
No,
seconds. So
thank you for sharing, my friend. Nice
my
work.
friend. Yeah.
Nice
Yeah.
work. Nice work. And we can
Yeah.
continue in 30 minutes.
Yeah. 30 minutes. Take a nap.
Excellent.
Take a nap.
Excellent. Yes, yes. Enjoy your nap. And I'll see you
Bye.
soon.